What up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be putting the carbs on. We got them cleaned, and I put an intake on it. So we're gonna get this installed in here. All right, let's do it. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is take these throttle cables. That long one is gonna go around the back. So we'll put this one around the back. There we go. That'd probably be easier with the screwdriver for sure. Let's put some tension on it so it doesn't come out. Now we'll take the small one, put it in. Let's get some more threads on this one. Make it a little bit looser. Put that one in. Tighten it down. Okay. Now we'll check it up here. Okay, we got throttle at the top. That's good. So we're hooked up. Next step, we're gonna feed it in there. All right, let's feed it through. I remember when I was taking it out, this part right here was a pain in the ass getting them out, so hopefully it's not a pain putting them back in. Just take your time with it. Yeah, I think I have to take that off. Let's do that. On this year, it's 82, 83. It's easier if this is off. All right, take that off. Let's see if it'll feed back through here. Okay. Okay, there we go. And then all of a sudden they slide into place. Now that we've got them in place, see if we can find some room to scoot this boot in here. There we go. Okay. Now, to get these boots seated is a pain, but I'm going to show you how I think we could do it. All right. First, you can try just to squish them in. That one in. And that one. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Now that I got them seated right here, we're gonna take this ratchet strap and we'll hook it onto something. Just find something. That should be good. We're gonna feed it. Right over here to the other side. Now I'm gonna put this right like that. I'm putting it across the diaphragms on one side, and we're gonna pull these and pop them right in. Make sure it's not touching anything that can break. Let me give you a close-up when I'm tightening it. Okay. We're pushing that in right there. I'll watch this other side. It's lining that up too. It's lining up these bottom ones, which is nice. Let's do a little bit more. Alright, that's on. Loosen it up. Now we got to push them down into these bottom ones. Probably do that same thing. Let's move this ratchet strap around, see if we can pull them down. Now that we got this side in, let's tighten these down though first. We don't want anything coming out now that we got it in. Okay, I'll do the same to the other side and we'll set up to pull these down. Okay, now that I got the strap on it, holding it in place, I'm taking a pry bar and I'm pushing it in. See that? Just went right in. Let's do this other side. Gotta put a lot of force on it. Just be careful. Okay, now that we got the carburetors in and tightened down all the boots, we're gonna slide this thing in, which is not gonna be easy because nothing's ever easy. Maybe this way. There we go, slide it in. Okay. Now that we got it in, we're going to line it up. And we're going to put these screws in. And last, because I got plans for the exhaust, we're just going to put this air filter on it and not the air box. Should be able to get to that right there. Now we're going to take this air filter. Get all these hoses out of the way. Okay, then once you're comfortable with it, we'll just tighten it down. It's in there. All right. So we got the carbs installed. Everything seems to be working. Yeah, everything seems to be working here, so. Let's see if the tank fits real quick. There we go. There we go, we got the carbs in. And then the air is gonna come in through here, down to the carbs. Next step, we'll put the cooling system back together, put the headlight on, and then we'll make the body. All right, stick with us.